In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can verify your age here on X. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to open up the app on your device and essentially just keep scrolling until you find a post labeled sensitive content and essentially tap on it. A good way to get these to pop up fast is by going into comment sections. For whatever reason, if you scroll down, eventually you're going to find a comment on there that is sensitive. But essentially, go ahead and tap on that and you'll be prompted to verify your age. Choose one of the following options, either a fast selfie verification where you just take a picture of your face, or the selfie plus ID verification, and just follow the on-screen steps to complete the process. Now, I will say the selfie option is quicker, but the ID option may be a little bit more reliable, so just keep that in mind. But once you're finished, your age will now be verified and you'll be able to view whatever content it might be. That is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.